Welcome to a meditation for manifestation. Please find yourself a quiet space where you won't be disturbed for the next few minutes. Lay down or sit comfortably and begin to notice all the places where your body is connecting with the chair or the floor beneath you. Imagine those parts of you feeling even more secure, relaxed, letting yourself sink in deeper and deeper. If you haven't already, you may close your eyes and you can take a few big deep inhale breaths here if that feels aligned. Just noticing yourself sinking deeper and deeper into the space, into your body, into the universe. And just a few more moments of allowing yourself to deeply connect back into your power, back into the moment, back into your highest good. From here, tilt your eyes in and up towards your third eye space, imagining you find yourself a little door there, and imagine yourself now popping through the door in 1, 2, 3. Now imagine yourself. You are in a beautiful place in nature, anywhere that feels good for you today. Imagine yourself being there, feeling it, seeing it. What do you see in the world around you? Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, or maybe a gentle breeze. Imagine what the air smells like. Imagine the temperature. And just let yourself stay here, feeling completely relaxed and at ease. We begin to take a walk now through this beautiful vision, 1 step, 2 step, down a winding path, letting yourself become even more relaxed with every single footstep. Getting more relaxed now, again feeling so connected to the beauty of the space, the beauty of the universe. And as you walk along, you begin to notice that there's another door in front of you. And you begin to get ready to open the door. We're going to open the door now in 1, 2, 3. Open the door. And from here, you imagine yourself stepping into your desired manifestation. See it in your world now. See it all around you. See yourself in it. Not in front of you. It's not some imaginary thing. You are in your vision. Now, what do you see? You see yourself with the object of your desire, whatever that might be. Just let yourself see that here for a moment. See that outside thing that you want to manifest. And now, notice what that feels like. Who are you now? How does having this manifestation feel in your body? Let yourself feel it. Let yourself really embody this. It's already here. It's already yours. This is now just your new normal. And what else around you has changed? Notice anything else. Notice where you are. Notice how you feel. Notice your self-concept. Let yourself feel joy, gratitude, excitement. Let yourself feel like that version of you, who you really want to be. Letting go of your past identity, just leaving space for this new version of you. I want you to see from here that this version of you is really still you. It's not about becoming perfect. It's not because you have no more self-doubts or fears, because those will always come to meet you on your journey. It's that you kept going anyway. You kept moving toward your goal, moving toward your vision, and now you are here. Let yourself really feel that. What is it like to be in this vision with all of the hard work behind you, with all of those self-doubts that used to tell you it was too hard or that you're not enough? You've already surpassed those. What does that feel like? Letting go of any other resistance, anything else in the present day that might be holding you back. Notice how you have overcome it in just the flick of a switch. Feel it now. And keeping your mind's eye in this space, let's just repeat a few affirmations. I'm confident in my ability to achieve what I want. I am worthy of all the good things in life. I am deserving of my goals and my desires. I am already attracting my manifestation into my reality. My reality is the result of what I allow into my mind. And today, I choose to uplevel my self-concept. I choose to let go of my resistance. I choose to step into this new reality. Take another moment here. Take one more look around you, making a mental note about anything that you might want to take back with you. Perhaps you have a new belief, a new feeling, a new action that you can work on in the real world. Just make a mental note of that. And just remember that this has already happened here in your mind, and that is the very first step in it becoming real. And now we get ready to go back out through the door into our normal waking consciousness. Getting ready now to come back into normal waking consciousness, turning back toward the door where we came in today. Getting ready now to walk through that door in 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes. Let your eyesight bring you back into the normal waking world, letting yourself begin to mentally land back in the space. And 1, 2, 3. Begin to stretch your body gently now. Gently roll your head from side to side. Gently wiggle your fingers, move your arms, wiggle your toes. Just bring some awareness back now into your human body. And from here, in 1, 2, 3, take a big deep inhale breath with me right now. And let it go. Letting yourself come back into full waking consciousness, feeling completely at ease, calm, and ready to go on with the rest of your day. Listening to a meditation is such a wonderful way to bring your consciousness, to bring new ideas into your consciousness. Thank you so much for being a mind expander here with me today. I'm wishing you a beautiful day.